welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enter 1098T on H&R Block. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on H&R Block, you might want to click on the create an account option. And from here, just provide your business or working email, create a password, agree to the terms and conditions, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, the 1098T form is a document used in the United States for reporting tuition payments and other education-related expenses made by eligible students at qualifying educational institutions. Now, this form is provided by the educational institution and is used by students or their parents to determine eligibility for certain education-related tax benefits such as the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. Now, once you are here on your dashboard, once you have made your account here in H&R Block, for you to be able to file or enter your 1098T, the first thing you need to do is go to the search option in the upper right corner. Now, once you find the search option, just type in 1098T right there. Click on it. Alright, so remember when you click on the, if you have any questions about the 1098T, about the tuition statement, click on this information right here. So I suggest you read and understand. And if you're not sure what is 1098T, basically again, it's a tax form or like a college tax form. And again, from here, before you can enter the information from your 1098T form accurately, you need to click on the filing options at the very top in the upper right corner. Click on it. And from here, you need to choose the type of taxes that you want. It's going to be $0 for free. All right. Now, if you wanted to scale up in H&R Block, you might want to go for the $55 per month. And you get all these perks and benefits. Now, when you click on Start Free, once you have that set up, you need to enter your information from the 1098T form accurately, right? And that means it will include a lot of details such as the amounts paid. Now, as you can see, there's the 1098T. Click on it, right? Now, if you have no data for this year, you need to go back to the US tax documents right here section and deselect this form. But you have, just click on the form right here, and as you can see, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. Fill out as much as information from your 1098 form accurately. All right, and again, this includes details such as the amounts paid for qualified tuition, related expenses, your address, your country, your postal code, and a lot more. And as well as any scholarships or grants you receive. And then I suggest for you to review the information you entered and ensure accuracy. Now, once you have entered all the necessary information, you need to proceed to the next section or step to continue with your tax return. All you're going to do is click on Next. And if you are unsure any part of the process or have specific questions about how to enter your 1098T on H&R Block, you can refer to the help resources earlier, which is this section right here. So I suggest you read and understand all the information here before you proceed, or you might want to just contact the customer support for assistance. Do you see the bottom left corner here? Click on it. And as you can see, just enter your details before you start. Of course, you need to provide your name, email, and you can start the chat. Now, one thing about the 1098T, because it's a very important, and I can never stress enough how important it is to ensure that all the details here needs to be accurate and updated. So if you are not sure how to proceed, just contact the support agent. I did that in the past and they helped me resolve my issue if I have questions about the 1098T here on H&R Block. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.